Hey everyone, welcome back to Pop Off English. If you want fun English for real life, you are in the right place. Before we start, hit subscribe, like this video, and share it with a friend who loves food or just loves eating.
Today, we're going out. We're hungry, we're tired, we don't want to cook. So today's episode is At the Restaurant. We'll use simple English you can use in real life when you go to a restaurant.
Imagine this. It's Saturday evening. You're hungry, you're lazy, your fridge is empty. You open the door, and there's only one sad tomato.
And maybe some old cheese.
And that cheese is basically a science project. So you say, nope, I'm going to a restaurant.
Let's follow Mia and Leo going to a restaurant together. We'll show you useful vocabulary and very natural English sentences for beginners. Listen, enjoy, and learn.
Okay, picture this. I walk into a nice restaurant with Leo. There are warm lights, plants, soft music. It looks cool, but not too expensive. Perfect.
Important English word number 1, restaurant. You probably know this, but let's say it slowly. Restaurant.
Now, the first person you see at the restaurant is usually not the cook. It's not the DJ, it's the host or hostess. This is the person at the front who says hello and helps you find a table.
So I walk in and a smiling woman comes to us. Hi, table for 2, please.
Nice, simple, and perfect. Table for 2, please. You can change the number. Table for 1, table for 3, table for 4.
The host looks at us and says, sure, inside or outside.
We look outside. There is sun. There are birds. There is also one very loud baby.
And a man sneezing like a volcano.
So I answer, inside, please.
We follow her, and she gives us menus. Here are your menus.
She points. Thank you.
New words, menu and menus. A menu is the list of food and drinks in the restaurant.
We sit down. Step 2. Understanding the menu, or at least trying.
The menu has many sections. For example, starters or appetizers, main course, sides, desserts, and drinks.
Starters or appetizers are the small dishes you eat before the main dish.
The main course is your big main dish. This is the star of your meal.
Sides are extra small dishes. For example, fries, salad, vegetables, rice.
Dessert is the sweet thing at the end. Cake, ice cream, brownie, all the beautiful things.
Drinks are, drinks. Water, soda, juice, wine, beer, coffee, tea.
Let's look at a simple example menu. Imagine it in your mind. Starters, tomato soup, green salad, garlic bread. Main courses, cheeseburger with fries, grilled chicken with rice, veggie pasta. Desserts, chocolate cake, ice cream, fruit salad. Drinks, water, cola, orange juice, coffee, tea.
So Leo is reading the menu and looks very confused.
I am not confused. I am thinking deeply.
You look at the menu like it's a math test.
I am a simple man. I want food. But there are too many choices.
So we use a useful phrase with the server. Excuse me.
This is polite. Excuse me is great when you want attention in a restaurant.
A server walks over to our table. A server is the person who takes your order and brings your food. You can also say waiter for a man and waitress for a woman, but server is more modern and neutral.
The server says, hi, welcome. Can I get you something to drink?
This is a very common sentence. Can I get you something to drink? Means, what do you want to drink?
I'm ready. I say, yes, I'll have a cola, please.
Listen to that. I'll have. This is a very natural way to order. You can also say I would like, but I'll have sounds very natural.
What about you, Mia?
I answer, I'll have a glass of water with lemon, please.
The server repeats, to be sure. A cola and a glass of water with lemon. Great. Are you ready to order?
But I am not ready. My stomach is ready. My brain is not ready. So I say, not yet, sorry. We need a few more minutes.
Great phrase. We need a few more minutes. Or I need a few more minutes. Very useful.
The server smiles and goes to another table. Now I look at the menu more. I ask Leo, what are you getting?
I don't know. Everything looks good. The burger looks great. But the grilled chicken also looks good.
You can ask the server for help, for example. What do you recommend? Or what is popular?
The server comes back with our drinks. Here you go. 1 cola and 1 water with lemon. Are you ready to order?
I am still not ready. Just kidding, I'm ready now. So I say, yes, I think so.
The server looks at me. And for you? I say, I'll have the cheeseburger with fries, please.
The server writes it down.
How would you like your burger?
In some countries, they ask this about meat, rare, medium, or well done. That is about how cooked it is.
I don't want my burger to be alive, so I say, well done, please.
The server nods and looks at me.
And for you?
I say, I'll have the grilled chicken with rice and a side salad, please.
Nice word, side salad. A small salad on the side of your main dish.
The server repeats.
So that's 1 cheeseburger with fries, well done, and 1 grilled chicken with rice and a side salad.
Yes, that's right.
Great, your food will be out soon.
While we wait, we do what people do in restaurants. We talk, we drink, we check our phones too much.
And then the best moment. The food arrives. Here you go, 1 cheeseburger with fries, and 1 grilled chicken with rice, and a side salad. Enjoy.
Thank you.
It smells so good. My burger looks amazing. Big, juicy, beautiful.
My chicken looks nice, too. But I remember something. I wanted no onions.
Onions are everywhere. Onions are like that friend who goes to every party.
If you want to change something in your dish, you can say, can I have it without onions? Or no onions, please.
For example, can I have the cheeseburger without cheese? If you say that, maybe the burger will cry.
You can also say, can I have the salad with the dressing on the side if you don't want a lot of sauce?
Now we start to eat, and the server comes back after a minute to check. How is everything?
Very good, thank you.
If something is wrong, this is the moment to say it. For example, sorry, the soup is cold, or I ordered rice, not fries.
The server is usually happy to help. For example, sorry, I ordered this without onions.
The server will probably say something like, oh, I'm sorry about that, I'll fix it.
So don't be shy, be polite, but say the problem.
After we eat a lot, the server comes back. Can I get you anything else? Dessert.
I am full, but I also love dessert. Difficult choice.
Very deep life question. Am I full, or am I full but still want dessert?
In English restaurant life, the answer is usually, yes, I want dessert.
We decide to share a dessert. Good English phrase. Can we share it? Or we'll share one.
I say, yes, we'll share a chocolate cake, please.
The server smiles. They know we made the correct life decision. Great, 1 chocolate cake to share.
After dessert, our stomachs are happy. Now it's time to pay. This is important restaurant English.
The server comes and asks, "Can I get you anything else?"
We say, "No thanks, just the bill please."
You can also say, "Can we have the check, please?" In some places, they say bill. In other places, they say check. Both are fine.
So, bill or check is the piece of paper that shows how much you need to pay.
The server brings the bill and puts it on the table. "Here's your bill."
We look at it. We check the prices. We check the items.
We don't cry. That's important.
Good vocabulary. Total, tax, tip. The total is the final price. Tax is the extra money for the government. The tip is extra money you give the server for good service.
Tip is very important in some countries, like the United States. For example, 15 to 20% is normal. In other countries, the tip is smaller or already in the price.
If you are not sure, you can ask, is service included or is the tip included?
Now, how do we pay? The server asks. Cash or card?
Cash is banknotes and coins. Card is a credit card or debit card.
I say, card, please.
The server brings the card machine. I say, can we pay separately?
This means I pay my part and Mia pays her part. Another phrase is, can we split the bill?
It's very useful if you go out with friends.
The server says, sure, no problem.
We pay, we say thank you, we leave. It was a nice restaurant night.
Let's review some of the important phrases from our restaurant trip. Listen and check if you remember them.
Table for two, please.
Inside or outside?
Excuse me.
Can I get you something to drink?
I'll have a cola, please.
I'll have a glass of water with lemon, please.
We need a few more minutes.
What do you recommend?
I'll have the cheeseburger with fries, please.
How would you like your burger?
Well done, please.
I'll have the grilled chicken with rice and a side salad, please.
Can I have it without onions?
Dressing on the side.
How is everything?
Can I get you anything else? Dessert?
We'll share a chocolate cake, please.
Just the bill, please.
Can we have the check, please?
Cash or card?
Can we pay separately?
Can we split the bill?
And some good vocabulary from today. Restaurant, host, server, menu, starter or appetizer, main course, side, dessert, drinks, bill or check, total, tax, tip, cash, card.
Next time you go to a restaurant, you can use these words and phrases. Imagine the sentences in your head. Imagine the menu. Imagine the delicious food.
Also imagine that you subscribe to this channel if you didn't do it yet. It's free, and it really helps us make more fun English podcasts for you.
So, if you enjoyed this episode, hit the like button, subscribe to Pop Off English, and share this video with a friend who wants to feel more confident at the restaurant.
Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite thing to order at a restaurant in your country? Use English if you can. We love reading your answers.
Thanks for listening. Thanks for learning English with us. And see you in the next episode.
Bye.